Hey guys, I've got a quick unboxing video of the new Apple iPad Magic Keyboard, the 2020 version, which is right here. I'm going to do a quick unboxing and a quick first impression. I do have the 2019 iPad Pro. You'll notice that there's only one camera, so we'll see how that one fits with the new Magic Keyboard. So stay tuned. Here we go. So peeling off the plastic, very satisfying Apple experience. Put that aside. Here's the box. The satisfying feeling of removing the box. Here's the keyboard. So set the box aside. Remove the plastic. Here's the cutout for the camera for the new 2020 version of iPad. So I do have a 2019 version of iPad, so we'll see how that one looks. Here it is in all its glory. It's got a nice texture to it outside. First impression, it's quite heavy. You will notice that the USB-C charger right here is the pass-through charger. So when you plug in the iPad, you're able to charge the iPad as well. So let's just open it up. The magnet is quite strong, so this is as far back as it goes. So let's touch the iPad on it. Here's the iPad. There we go, just like that. Here's the angle. Let me just show you from the side. So one of the things that Apple touts about the keyboard is the fact that the iPad will not touch the keyboard. It's floating, which is very nice. So this is it. First thing to notice is that with the new iPad keyboard is the trackpad. There we go. It's very smooth. I'm just going to open the notepad, the Notes app, do a quick typing test. So move the cursor over. The keyboard has a nice feeling. You will notice that it's backlit. And I want to see how heavy it is with this closed. So the magnet is quite strong. That's the first thing I noticed. And wow, it's got a significant weight to it. There it is. So the keyboard, the camera cutout is right there. It was meant for 2020 iPad, however it still fits 2019. No problem there. And right there, you're able to charge it through the charging port. But the first thing is, it is quite heavy. when you add the iPad, this is, I would reckon this is almost as heavy, if not heavier than MacBook Pro. So we will do a quick comparison with the MacBook weight in another video, and also provide you with some basic first impressions after I had a chance to use the keyboard. But here it is. So this is how you open it. This is as far back as it goes. It will not go any far, so I will see how it feels on the lab, as well as how the keyboard functions over a few days. Thanks for watching, guys, and have a good one. We'll see you in the next video.